Who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option A. Bhuvanesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? Correct answer is option C. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. How many athletes will be honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B. 4. Gukesh D for chess, Harmanpreet Singh for hockey, Praveen Kumar for para-athletics, Manu Bahakar for shooting. S. Muralidharan, who received the Dronacharya Award in 2025, is a coach of which sport? Right answer is option C. Badminton. Arif Mohammad Khan has been sworn in as the governor of which state recently? Correct answer is option C. Bihar. Which state won the Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title recently? Correct answer is option A. West Bengal. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option B. Nepal. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories, NABL? Correct answer is option B. Sandeep Shah. Which team recently won the Pro Kabaddi League title 2024? Correct answer is option B. Haryana Steelers. The Defence Ministry has declared 2025 as the year of. Correct answer is option A. Defence reforms. Which country has recently launched the CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? Correct answer is option B. China. Which state won the Senior National Men's Handball Championship 2024 title? Correct answer is option B. Kerala. Which Indian player won the bronze medal at the King Cup International Badminton 2024? Correct answer is option A. Lakshya Senator. Which country will host the World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, 2025? Right answer is option B. India. Recently, who becomes the youngest female to climb the highest peaks in all 7 continents? Correct answer is option B. Kamya Karthikeyan. The Kagyat Dance Festival was recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A. Sikkim. Which space agency successfully launched the SpaceX mission? Correct answer is option C. ISRO. Who won the title of 2024 FIDE Women's World Rapid Championship? Correct answer is option A. Koneru Hampi. Who has been appointed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option C. Manish Singhal. Stumped is the autobiography of. Correct answer is option D. Syed Kirmani. Which state has recently unveiled India's first glass sea bridge? Correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. Where has Tamu Loza festival recently celebrated? Correct answer is option B. Nepal. Which state government has declared Rath Saptami as a state festival? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Lane pottery of which state has recently got the GI tag? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. Which state is the host of National Saras Mela 2025? Correct answer is option A, Kerala.
Which city was the host of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who has been appointed as the new Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Correct answer is option C, V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation? Correct answer is option C, Faiz Ahmad Kidwai.
Nagoba Jatara festival is recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Telangana.
Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Food Corporation of India, FCI? Correct answer is option C, Ashutosh Agnihotri. What is the mascot of the first Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 to be held in January? Correct answer is option D, both A and B, Tejas and Tara. General VK Singh has been appointed as the new governor of which state? Correct answer is option B, Mizoram. Which ministry launched the Sashakt Beti and A Drishti initiatives? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Education. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. In which state UT Jallikattu Festival 2025 has been organized? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. When is Pravasi Bharatiya Divas celebrated? Correct answer is option B, the 9th of January. The President of which country has been invited as the chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Joseph Aoun has been elected as President of which country? Correct answer is option B, Lebanon. National Youth Day is observed on? Correct answer is option D, the 12th of January. Who was sworn in as Ghana's president for the third time in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, John Mahama. Which country will host the ASEAN Summit 2025? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Which organization released the Future of Jobs Report 2025? Right answer is option A, World Economic Forum.
Flamingo Festival was recently celebrated in which state?
Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been appointed as Revenue Secretary in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. National Human Trafficking Awareness Day is observed on? Correct answer is option C, the 11th of January. Which city is set to become India's first green hydrogen hub project under the National Green Hydrogen Mission? Correct answer is option A, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 85th. Who has been elected as the President of the Athletics Federation of India? Correct answer is option C, Bahadur Singh Sagu. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of National Aluminium Company Limited, NALCO? Correct answer is option A, Brijendra Pratap Singh. What was the theme of the 18th Pravasi Bhartiya Divas 2025? Correct answer is option A, Diaspora's Contribution to a Viksit Bharat. Which country's metro network has become third largest metro network in the world? Correct answer is option B, India. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. What is the name of the sixth Scorpene submarine recently delivered by the Mazagon Dock shipbuilders to the Indian Navy? Correct answer is option C, INS Wagshir. Which state is the host of 74th Senior National Basketball Championship? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat.
Kevan Parikh has been appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of which company in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Apple Inc. Zoran Milanovic has been elected as President of which country in January 2025? Correct answer is option A, Croatia. Which team won the first edition of Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category? Correct answer is option A, India. Z-More Tunnel, which was seen in the news, is located in which state, UT? Correct answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option B, 7. What was the theme for Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. Neptune missile is developed by which country? Right answer is option A, Ukraine. Exercise Devil Strike has been conducted by which country recently? Correct answer is option A, India. What is the name of the second multipurpose vessel recently launched for the Indian Navy? Correct answer is option A, INS Utkarsh. Kokborok language is recognized as one of the official languages of which state? Correct answer is option D, Tripura. Makaravilakku festival is recently celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Who won the men's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Who won the women's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Madison Keys. Which two Indian cities recently joined the list of accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Correct answer is option C, Indore and Udaipur. Which institution has published the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Which state is home to India's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Who has won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which Indian state is the host of first International Olympic Research Conference? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. The Manan community is primarily found in which state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Which Indian city has the most traffic congestion, as per TomTom Traffic Index released in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kolkata. Kappad and Chal beaches of which Indian state have received the prestigious Blue Flag certification? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been appointed as Lebanon's new Prime Minister? Correct answer is option A, Nawaf Salam. Which former Chief Justice of India received the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jagdish Singh Kehar. Which state has launched Advanced Disaster Risk Warning System, Kavacham? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Michael Martin has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ireland. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court? Correct answer is option C, Justice Alok Aradhe. Who won the ICC Men's T20 International Cricketer of the Year 2024 award? Correct answer is option C, Arshdeep Singh. Which state, UT's virgin coconut oil has been granted GI tag recently? Correct answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Who is the author of the book, The World After Gaza? Correct answer is option A, Pankaj Mishra. Which space agency conducted CROPS experiment to study plant growth in space? Correct answer is option C, ISRO. D. Nageshwar Reddy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option C, medicine. Which two sites from India have been included in the 2025 World Monuments Watch list? Correct answer is option A, Musi River Historic Buildings and Bhuj Historic Water Systems. What is Guillain-Barré syndrome that was recently seen in news? Correct answer is option B, it's a neurological disorder. Who won the men's and women's singles titles at the Senior National Table Tennis Championships 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manush Shah and Diya Chitle. International Customs Day 2025 is observed on? Correct answer is option B, the 26th of January. Alexander Lukashenko has been officially re-elected as the president of which state? Correct answer is option A, Belarus. In which country the annual meeting of World Economic Forum 2025 has been organized? Correct answer is option C, Davos, Switzerland. Who has been named ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option A, Smriti Mandhana. Who authored the book In Pursuit of Democracy, Beyond Party Lines? Correct answer is option A, Najma Heptullah. Srimati Kumudini Rajnikant Lakhia has been conferred with Padma Vibhushan in 2025 in the field of arts, dance. She is associated with which dance form? Correct answer is option C, Kathak. In which state Indaramma Atmiya Bharosa scheme for landless agricultural laborer families was recently launched? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Which state won the Best Tableau Award at the 76th Republic Day 2025? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Who is the author of the book How India Scaled Mount G20? Right answer is option B, Amitabh Kant. Which country has recently announced the abolition of birthright citizenship? Correct answer is option C, USA. Which ministry has developed the Entity Locker platform? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. How many individuals have been awarded Padma Shri in 2025? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.